Don't want it to be too salty. And then I have my cute paprika. And last but not least, we have our black pepper. I'm gonna go wash my hands and then I'll marinate. I don't want it to get to my hands. And 3, 2, 1. You guys wanna do challenge with me? Whoever wins, you guys have to like, subscribe, and follow, okay? If you guys win, you have to subscribe or follow. And like. One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two, one. Now I'm gonna cut another hot dog. You guys, after I'm done all of this, I'm gonna mix, and then I'm gonna check on my potatoes. So you guys, this is how my second one looks like. You guys can't really see, but yeah. First thing, I'm going to be putting in my black pepper sauce and my paprika. Here's my black pepper, guys. Well, you guys already know this, so yeah. You guys know it. I'm gonna put in my seasoning cube. So you guys, this is how it looks like. Can you see how bomb this looks? Now you guys, this is how it looks like. It looks so bomb. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. And by the way guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Can't wait to eat this. have it. Bless me, bless my family, bless everyone in this world, bless my friends, bless my teachers, bless me, bless my family, bless the people who are in the hospital. Amen. Now let's taste. I want to taste the eggs with the potatoes, and then I'll dip it in some mayonnaise. Dip. Mmm. 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 Love. And I want to decide to take this to school. These are for those who made it to the end. Mm. 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 Parents. Mm. Parents, you gotta make this for your kids.